There are 8 bills that have been introduced in the House of Representatives to block this, bringing these enemy terrorists to the United States for trial. And 4 of the members who have those bills have spoken, and the 5th member to speak that has a bill also is out of Kansas, and a leader on the Appropriations Committee and National Defense itself, Mr. Todd Tiahrt.
Good morning, I'm Todd Tiahrt from the 4th District of Kansas, a former member of the Intelligence Committee and a current member of the Defense Subcommittee on Appropriations. And I wonder where the authority has come from to transfer these enemy combatants, or whatever we want to call them today, these terrorists, unrepentant terrorists, from the Department of Defense to the Department of Justice. Did Attorney General Holder pick up the phone and say, hello, Secretary Gates, I want you to send me over KSM, okay? Fine, thanks. That conversation never happened. He does not have the authority to ask for those. I filed legislation to enforce the fact that the Department of Justice doesn't have jurisdiction over these enemy combatants, these unrepentant terrorists. I think since it is unprecedented, if it is going to happen, we need to have a vote in the People's House. We need to have a vote in the Senate. Why hasn't Speaker Pelosi brought this to the floor of the House for a vote? Why hasn't Majority Leader Reid brought it to the floor of the Senate for a vote? The reason they haven't is because the American people say this is a bad idea. Frank Gaffney Jr. told you about the poll. 93% of the people do not think this is a good idea. Now, I'm not a lawyer. We've got plenty of lawyers here in Washington, D.C. I'm not a lawyer, but I do know that the American people do think it's a very bad idea to borrow money from the Chinese to give it to the New York City police so they can protect our own citizens from people who have sworn to kill us, to destroy our economy, to destroy our country. We took an oath to protect this Constitution, this country. We are ignoring that oath if we don't have a vote on the floor of the House. Speaker Pelosi, give us a vote. We're ignoring that responsibility if we don't have a vote on the floor of the Senate. Majority Leader Reid, give us a vote. As an American citizen, I want to make sure that there is no justification or legal ability to transfer those unrepentant terrorists from Guantanamo Bay to civilian courts. Thank you.